This lecture will explore the concepts and relationships between ecology, restoration ecology, and ecological restoration. Ecology is defined as the study of the relationships between living organisms, including humans, and their physical environment. It aims to understand the connections between plants and animals and the world around them. Ecological restoration is the process of assisting the recovery of an ecosystem that has been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. This is an example of ecological restoration. An old pasture in a riparian area was restored using native species based on a nearby reference ecosystem. Restoration ecology is the science that supports the practice of ecological restoration and from other forms of environmental repair in seeking to assist recovery of native ecosystems and ecosystem integrity. The field applies ecological theories and research specifically to questions and conditions found in ecological restoration. This is an example of restoration experiment to test the effect of green manure and different restoration methods on restoration success and cost efficiency. While restoration research may use the same kinds of sites and treatments found in restoration practice, experiments are designed to answer specific questions and need to meet criteria for controls and replication. Both fields build on each other. Restoration projects can be used for experiments if designed correctly and show the success, applicability, and scalability of research under field conditions. Restoration experiments can be used to test better restoration approaches and can be responsive to questions and concerns of restoration practitioners. Assessing restoration can be compared with a doctor appointment that comprises assess, prescription, and a follow-up. In restoration ecology, the assess is the environmental diagnostic, the prescription would be the restoration methods to be used, and the follow-up would be the monitoring. This can be applied to both restoration research and practice. It is important to link restoration ecology and ecological restoration. Experiments on restoration are essential to design more successful and effective restoration, especially as the field advances and faces new challenges. On the other hand, it is also essential to integrate ecological theory with the practice of restoring degraded or damaged ecosystems. Much progress has been made with more links between scientific theory and practical application thanks to the Society of Ecological Restoration.